Welcome viewer, I am Regedit. This video tutorial describes how to disable or turn off startup apps in Windows. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab. Select any app and disable it. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Startup. Disable any apps. Click Privacy. Click Background Apps. Turn off background apps. Third method is, right-click Start button, click Run. Type shell command startup. If any application shortcut, delete it. Fourth method is, type Regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click Run. If any app's unwanted, delete it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.